Hey friends, this is my laser mounted on a GoPro, so when it's on your head you know where it's pointing. And this is kind of a problem I had. I got this new GoPro and a head mount and everything. I was super excited to make some videos, and then I made the video and then I was like, how do I know where this is pointing? So one way to know where it's recording is you can put it on your head and then kind of adjust it and make okay, it's adjusted here, and then this is where I'm recording, and then you adjust it there, and you stop the video, you start a new one, you play it back or whatever. Okay, that's where I want it to be. Okay, that's really frustrating. Or you can have someone stand above you and look in the screen and be like, okay, it's recording where you want to record. The only thing is you don't want to be recording and then all of a sudden you're down here talking and your GoPro's up here, so you can't see anything. So that was a problem I ran into, and I was like, well, if we just had like a laser pointing in the middle, we'd solve that issue. You could know where your thing is, just hit a button and your laser will tell you where it's recording. So boom, I made this laser on here and mounted it, and I made a video showing you guys how to do this if you're interested. This is $9. It's a 9mm bore laser, and I show you how to make this button or whatever on here. It's kind of jury-rigged, but it works amazingly well, and it's super easy to do. I mean, if I can do it, you guys can do it. So I Googled this problem before, and like there was nothing out there. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to make this. I hope it helps people out. That's the deal right there. And I'm going to link the video below, how I made it, and also link the 9mm bore site there. So you can just look it up on Amazon. But if you click my Amazon link, I do get kickback. So I am an Amazon affiliate. That helps out the channel. So if you guys want to do that, I would appreciate that. Anyways, so that's that, and that's kind of what it looks like. It's really easy to do, especially on the head mount. I mean, I tried this a few times, and that points like almost perfectly in the middle of the video. It might be off to the left or right just a little bit, but that's a pretty precise instrument because it is a bore sighter, and it's lightweight, it's small, it just really doesn't really get in the way, and yeah, it super helped me out a lot, especially with the head mount. So hope this helps you guys too. If you want to check out that video, just click that link in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.